I always knew that whoever Marlee was going to end up with was going to be someone really special. When it came to Kyle, I knew that she really picked a winner. I'm just so happy for you guys.
The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who makes you feel complete. The person who makes the world beautiful and a magic place.
Clarity that comes from breaking open, and the power unspoken, untaming inside. Keep me under the glow.
Today is about these two. And it's tough to say she's all yours. She's my last one. Her mom and I love you to death.
Let's have a toast to Kyle and Marlee. Lifetime happiness. Lifetime happiness.
As a sign of my love,
that I've chosen you above all else.
with this ring,
I thee wed.
Marlee, I was hoping to be the best looking person here tonight, but obviously I failed miserably. You look beautiful, and I couldn't be happier with Kyle's decision to make you his bride.
You look gorgeous, and he's not a bad looking guy either. We couldn't be happier to have Marlee as our new daughter-in-law. To a life of love, laughter, and happiness.
I wanna love you.